Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free, and also press the bell notification so that you guys will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for your patience. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Her Highness box for the month of September, and this month they have two boxes. One is the regular one which retails for rupees 649 and the other one which retails for rupees 499, and both of these boxes have free shipping on them. So if you like this box or if you are planning to buy the Her Highness box, then you can use the coupon code as Merriness5 to get a 5% off on the mini box which retails at rupees 499, and you can use Merriness10 to get a 10% off on the regular box which retails for rupees 649. Coming to the first product, it is from PSafe and this is a toilet seat sanitizer spray. Now it says that it kills germs, it gives protection against 99.9% of germs and removes foul odor, and this is a 40 ml product which retails for rupees 120, and the best part is it's got a shelf life of 3 years. So this can be easily used on the toilet seats, toilet tops, then the flush, door knobs and even the faucets. And it's also got this IPA formulation, and that is you just spray it and after 5 seconds it becomes 99.9% germs free, and you just have to spray it from 25 centimeter away from whichever object you are choosing. I am really looking forward to use this product. I feel that this is the first time any subscription box has got this product, and it's a very well thought addition to the box. Then moving on to the next product is from the Nature's Co, and this is their Marshmallow Day Cream. It's got this rose petals all over. This one is priced at rupees 995. So let's open this. Okay, it looks like this, and once you open this, I don't know why my hand is slipping. Okay, wow, it looks like as if someone has just put whipped cream inside a box, and this fragrance also is very nice. It's very soothing actually, I can smell it till here, and the consistency is very thick, and let's apply and see. Okay, the consistency is very thick. So what I feel is the product is good, the fragrance is also good, but consistency is thick, that is one point, and also that I think it will be more suitable for people having normal to dry skin, because it's a little bit oily for my skin, though it is looking very nice here. It's blended well, but I can still feel the oiliness here. So I think the product will be very good for people who are having dry to normal skin. Then now let's move on to the next product, and it is supposed to be a McCaffeine shower gel, but I didn't wanted any more shower gels because I have too many of them. So I asked Ankita to send me something different, and she has sent me this 15-gram sachets of fuchsia bath salt. One is the saffron sandal saffron bath salt, and the other one is the June jasmine bath salt. Both of them retail for rupees 75 for 15 gram of product. These are like one time use only. You just open the sachet and use it, and I absolutely love bath salts from Fuchsia. So that's the third product. Now moving on to the fourth product, and it is from Earth Ayurveda. This is the first time I think it's been introduced in a subscription box, and it's a new company, and this one is a green tea handmade soap. It's a 100-gram product which is SLS free and it is organic, and can you believe it, guys? It is just priced at rupees 99. The most affordable handmade soap, I think. And the fragrance of this one is also very nice actually. The fragrance is also very nice and refreshing. So I'm not going to open this right now because I have too many soaps right now with me, so I'm going to keep this aside for a later use. Then the next product is the Garden Fresh Assam tea, and this is from Durang. I actually thought they were green tea earlier, but then here it says like, you know, how to prepare a perfect cup of tea, and they have mentioned here the addition of milk and sugar, which I feel is so good because I love, you know, having my morning and evening teas, and this is something perfect, and I'm going to try it out soon. And the 50-gram product of this tea retails for rupees 120, and each sachet here cost is rupees 5. That is so good, right? So that's it. And now moving towards the other product, and it is this nail polish from Bella Voste. It is a 9 ml product, and this one retails for rupees 249. This is the same nail paint which I am wearing right now, and the color is very pretty. There are in total I feel about 8 choices, and out of which you can choose which color you want. So the one which I am wearing is the Secret Gloss, and as you can see, you know, there was a tape here when it was packed very well. I'll just show you the picture. So it was very nicely hand packed by Ankita, but this tape, when I removed, this thing also came out where the name of the polish was there. So it's the Secret Gloss. I don't know, the number is not very visible. So it's a very pretty nail paint, and I absolutely liked it. Then now moving towards the jewelry part. Now talking about the jewelry, they have not specified that, you know, which jewelry you will be getting, but of course you will be getting a choice, like, you know, you can tell if you want a bracelet, earring, anklet, anything. So I chose the anklet, and this is how it looks. And on the cue card also they have not mentioned, like, you know, what is the exact price of all of these, but they have mentioned what is the range of all these jewelry. So the range of the jewelry is from rupees 99 to 199, and this is how the anklet looks. I really liked it, but I'm not sure if this will you know, fit me on my legs, but I can definitely use it as a bracelet. It looks very pretty. It's got this flower design here, and you know, the silver chain. And the next product is this bracelet, and it's got this very nice and thin, delicate you know, metal here, and along with that it's got these 2 crystal which look very pretty. So the range of the jewelry is from rupees 99 to 199. Then there are a few add-ons. You can see there is a smiley pin, and there is this chocolate from Kiss Me, which I used to have when I was small, and then these small candies, and this is Kacha Kerry, the raw mango flavor. I so wish to have this, but unfortunately because of the tonsils issue I have been avoiding all the tangy food, but it's a very good addition of all these add-ons, and they are like, you know, the price of it is not mentioned. Then there are 2 surprise gifts, and the first one which I have got is this classic nail polish remover. It's got 32 wipes, and the flavor is strawberry. The price of it is mentioned as rupees 35 here, but on the card it is mentioned as rupees 30. And another one, there was one more surprise gift, that was the loofah for shower gel, which was priced at rupees 50, is not come in my box because Ankita had actually made pairs of it, like, you know, the nail polish and the remover together. She had kept it, and the shower gel and the loofah, she had kept it shower gel for her, you know, remembrance, that she couldn't just add in the box together. But as I opted out for the shower gel, and she has given me this bath salts, so she forgot to, you know, add it in this box, the regular one, but she has said that she will be sending it in the mini box, so I'm looking forward for that. And now talking about all the products and the review. So I feel that the Nature's Co Day Cream is the price for it is like 995, and you are getting a 50 ml product, which is very good, especially for people who have normal to dry skin, and the fragrance is also very nice. Then Be Safe Toilet Seat Sanitizer. It is one of the best addition to this Her Highness box for the September month, and if you want, you can also book it separately by coupon code to get a 20% discount on their website. Then I've not taken the McCaffeine liquid gel, but I have taken the bath salts, and I love bath salts from Fuchsia. They are 15 gram for 75 rupees. Then if you want anything from McCaffeine, there is a discount code here too, so you can get a 10% discount on their website. Then Earth Ayurveda is the new company for soaps, and the green tea soap, it's very nice, it's very refreshing and soothing. Also, it's organic and SLS free. And talking about the price of it, for 100 grams it's just ₹99, which I feel is too good and a very good deal. And the jewelry, also I liked the bracelet. The anklet is I think it's a okay product, but I can definitely use it as a bracelet. And I'm looking forward to use the Durang Premium Tea, and thank God they are not green tea, they are like proper tea, because I really love having my morning and evening teas. And the nail paint remover, I feel these wipes are very good, especially when we are traveling. So along with that, there were also these add-ons which were there in the box, so I feel that it's like totally worth the deal. So these were all the products in the regular box for Her Highness box for the month of September. And I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching. Merriness.